It's a day, the morning after a freak wind gust tears through the Upper Rainier neighborhood, taking away an age-old tree, tearing it down across the street, and then another tree, no longer there, lying next to the house in the garden of the neighbors, taking down a fence. And yes, the fence is still standing, but look at the uprooting. Look at the uprooting of this enormous tree. This is not a small baby, this was a giant. And this giant just missed the house of the owners of the garden in which the tree was standing by a hair. Some branches on the roof. The rest of the tree is lying right beside the house. Luckily nobody was home. Nobody suffers injuries except for these trees. And nobody noticed it in the rest of Seattle. Nobody noticed it. It was a gust of maybe 15 feet wide, 20 feet wide, and now no longer. Two big trees, two age-old trees gone.